Hi guys, how's it going? I'm Coach Sean. Today we're going to make a nice, easy mozzarella salad. Super simple, all the ingredients really fresh. Perfect for summer days. So we're going to use 1 red onion, a couple of cups of cherry tomatoes, a ball of mozzarella and some fresh basil. So now we're going to finely dice the red onion. So that's the onions all fully chopped up. We're just going to half the cherry tomatoes. Now I'm just going to pick a few of the basil leaves off, chop a few of these up to run them through the salad. There we go. And that's everything ready. So you might not want to put the whole lot on one plate, but I'm just going to serve enough for one salad here. I'm going to go straight in with the onions, straight in with the cherry tomatoes, spread them out. You want it to look nice, that's half the battle. A few more onions on there, run the basil through it, a few more tomatoes around the edges. No exact science to this, you just want it to look nice, taste nice. The mozzarella, we're literally just going to tear that up. Little chunks, some small, some big, just lay it, little chunks all through the salad. Get a couple of nice looking basil leaves, just sit them on the top there. And there we go. Nice fresh mozzarella salad, full of colour, completely fresh, perfect for a summer's day.